I was called back to Region 9 after the tribal adoption. Little did I know what was in store for me. I landed in a town in Zamboanga del Sur called Tabina and was given a class of local farmers, 25 to include 8 members of the AFP, to turn a former dump site into the beginnings of an organic farm for the community's usage. After 10 days the class ended and I handed the farm over to the community. It was very nice to see that they followed up on it. Next I ended up in a town called Dumalina with a second class of local farmers and 6 more AFP this time. The idea of the AFP Farmer Series was that these trainings could help build sustainable livelihood in war-torn areas so that there could be peace. I'm really hoping that this helps the people. After the class ended, we put up a local community model garden for food security that can be mimicked easily and with the least expense. Also, we have integrated climate change mitigation as well as indigenous mechanizations for organic inputs and water pumping to combat the incoming drought. This is what I do. Just another day in the life.